we're going to create a shell script, project 7-7, that uses an argument. An argument, for example, is if we do IP, A is an argument that changes how the IP command works. IP space A means that we get to see our Ethernet address. So we're going to create a batch file where we get to put in an argument. So we need to do our nano, get back into my same file. There, and let's see. I don't think there's any of this we can use except for, yeah, I think we can just get rid of all that. Instead of having it be interactive, let's see, we're going to keep this. All right. So we're going to set up something with parameters. So if $pound, which means from the command line, these arguments, and it's going to be the first argument, if there is one, or maybe if there isn't one, I can't remember, then we're going to tell them how to do this. Whoops, I didn't do that right. There we go. If we don't have anything at the command line as an argument, we're going to tell them they should use $0 directory to back up. Let's see, -NE, not equal to, that's right. If the command line argument is not equal to 1, we're in trouble. Directory to back up. So you have to put in the parameters. So this will give us an error, it'll give us an error condition. Then we exit 255, which just means we're going to exit. And then that finishes it. Otherwise, we are just going to perform the backup. But we're going to add something out here instead of $answer. 1 is going to be the first argument that we put in. So if the argument coming in is not equal to 1, we tell them you have to use an argument. Otherwise, we back it up to the argument. So let's exit. And we do our hello world. There it is. But we're going to add the argument of /documents. Uh-oh. Oh, the error message said that I was missing a double quote, and as a matter of fact, there it is. I was missing a double quote. Things will go wrong, you'll miss things. All right, let's try this guy one more time. We're going to back up the documents folder. I do need my /, and there it goes. It says line 4 is missing something. Well, let's take a look at that. Okay, well, it said that there's a missing brace over here. It's what it looks like. So I'm going to go in and look at it, and oh, it's not a missing brace, but notice how I did not put a space between those. So spacing is important. And this time, it'll work just fine. There, it backed it up. If I do an ls, there's my little backup file. Everything is happy. We'll see you later.